Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make double crochet. Its abbreviation is DC. A double crochet is slightly taller than a half double crochet. Hold the piece, yarn over, form a no loop on hook. Insert hook into next stitch. Yarn over and grab the yarn. Pull through the stitch. Form a new loop on hook, total 3 loops on hook. Yarn over. Grab the yarn and pull through the first 2 loops. Remaining 2 loops on hook. Yarn over again. Grab the yarn and pull through the 2 loops at once. Great! You just complete a double crochet. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.